This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Annette Bagwell. Looking for a large and spacious floor plan in the lovely community of Harbour Isles? This 4/2 home with a 3-car garage features a huge living room with rich wood floors. Open concept kitchen with lots of natural light coming from the windows and sliding glass doors. Both bathrooms have been remodeled with custom tile. Master bath has a walk-in shower with dual shower heads and a separate jacuzzi tub. Full-size laundry room. Home has neutral colors and rounded wall corners. Already installed security system and pre-wired for surround sound. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Bagwell at 813-563-5995.